I build an open source LLM tool that automatically designs LTSpice circuits. Simply input any circuit specification you want and it searches the web for existing designs. Then it calculates values and verifies them. Afterwards, it creates an LTSpice netlist file and performs a circuit simulation. Lastly, it will convert the netlist to LTSpice ASC file format, which can directly be loaded to LTSpice. As you can see, the LLM used two op-amps to create an active bandpass filter. There is a positive 12 volts and a negative 12 volts rail that feeds into the op-amps. The first op-amp acts a filter, while second op-amp acts a buffer to the 100K load. The LLM perfectly designed the cutoff frequencies to be 30 Hz and 25 kHz respectively, and the total time the LLM took was around 7 minutes, which is pretty fast.